Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'm going to be going over the new update that I don't know when it came out, but yeah, it just came out. And finally the tornado update came out, and also we also got a unvaulted gun called the flare gun. So yeah, let's hop into solos and we'll get right into the update. As you guys can see, we just got into solos, and I'm not seeing any tornadoes. I don't know if they spawn. I don't know if they spawn mid-game or whatever. So I'll just update you guys when I either find a flare gun or I see a tornado. And yeah. Alright guys, so I just found the flare gun, but no sign of a tornado yet. So yeah, let's try to find some people and I'll try to get a kill with this. So I'll see you when I find some people. Alright, well guys, looks like we got our first piece of action. I'm gonna just hit this guy with it. Oh my god, it's like everyone's using me. Tag a kid 50. Oh, he died! Hi bro. I got him too. I hit him for 60. He's burning to death. Okay, oh. The flare gun sure does do a lot of stuff. Ooh, what is that I see? Looks like we got a double barrel, but I suck with double barrels. And I don't feel like trying to get killed. Ooh, what more got loot? There's a whole army in here. Alright. Well, yeah, I will update you guys when, hopefully, we see a tornado. Okay, guys, right when I ended it, there was a tornado. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is insane. Guys, look at this. I'm gonna try going to it with my Spider-Man. Oh, I'm so laggy. Oh, shoot. Why am I so laggy right now? What the hell's going on? It's being glitched. I'm just stand still for a couple seconds and it'll be good. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, why is it like the worst quick five when I just found a tornado? Okay, we're good. We're kind of good. Oh my god, look at this. I wonder what happens if it goes down. Look at this. Look at this. How far I am. Oh my god. Oh my god. All these people inside. Really good. Just pick up random stuff. Look, everything's getting thrown around. Look, there's random stuff all over here. Everything's glitching. Oh yeah, what's that? I'm so laggy from this. Oh my god. Like, no, I was all fine until this. Oh, it's so funny. Oh my god. What if you get hit from it? No. Oh my god, people are trying to sleep. I'm inside of it. Wait, you're able to shoot me? What happens if you get injured? Oh my god, really? I'm getting I'm just gonna heal up. That was insane. That guy raided me through the sky. Absolutely insane. But yeah, we're gonna heal back up. Just edit. Heal back up. Bro. Is it still there? Oh, I died. It's gone. Damn it. Alright, where's that kid that's in this thing? Oh my god, really? Okay, really did I not see? Where a gun? Please, no. Alright, well guys, that was insane. This is the update night for today. But it will probably be posted in the morning. So yeah, this was literally insane. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.